Just checking. Can you see and hear me? Okay. So again, hello, good morning. Hi, gozaimasu. Magandang umaga. Mabuhay. I'm Cheska and you are Koki. Hello, Koki. Nice to meet you. And how are you this Wednesday morning, Koki? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ah, wow. Wow, very nice. Wednesday, midweek, midday of the week, right? Wow, very nice. Is your Wednesday your usual holiday or only for today? Mhm. Mm, mhm. 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 Yes. You can enjoy the whole weekend, right? Ah, very nice. So why have is it okay to ask why have you decided to take holiday today? Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Mhm. Ah, okay. Wow, very nice. But why did you choose Wednesday? Mhm. 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 Ah, so that tomorrow and on Friday you still have the strength, right? Ah. Mhm. 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 Ah, so nice move there. Nice strategy, Koki. Good job. Nice. So anyway, Koki, for today you have chosen daily news under science and technology category chapter 12031. Is that correct? Okay, and just to confirm the textbook, Koki, can you please read the title first? Oh, interesting. So now, Koki, let's start in words and phrases, okay? And in here, we have two audios. Which audio do you want to listen? US. Okay, let's start. The first word is
Refinement.
it's a noun, which means a small change that improves something. Now, Koki, for the sample sentence.
The new software update includes several refinements to the user interface.
Okay, good job. Next word is
Cultivation.
it's also a noun, which means the act of preparing land and growing crops on it. Again, the sample sentence.
The cultivation of new skills is essential for career growth.
Yes, good job again. Nice. Okay. The next word is
Foster.
it's a verb, which means to encourage the development or growth of something. Now, the sample sentence.
The teacher's goal is to foster a love of reading in her students.
Great job. Next is
Desertification.
it's a noun, which means the process by which land changes into desert. So now, again, the sample sentence.
Planting trees is one way to combat desertification.
Very good. And the last word is
Equitable.
it's an adjective, which means treating everyone fairly and in the same way. So now, Koki, for the last sample sentence.
The company aims to provide an equitable distribution of resources among all departments.
All right. Yes, good job, Koki. Very good. Now, do you have any questions? Very well. So now let's move on to the next part, comprehension. But I think you already know the direction. So, Koki, we will move on straight to the listening focus, okay? So we will check now the questions. And the first question is, what is the primary aim of Japanese food tech? Okay. That was the first question. And Koki, do you also want to read it or no need? Okay. Next question is, how much lettuce does the Kyoto farm produce daily? Okay. And the last question, how does the Yogo farm support women? Okay. So, Koki, those are the three questions that you will answer later. Now, we will listen to the article, okay? Okay? Yes. Again, Koki, before we do that, which audio do you want to listen? Because we have US, UK, and Canadian. US, okay? Let's listen
How
now.
Japanese food tech addresses global food security. Japanese innovators are creating new technologies, including automated vertical farms and soil free farming, to tackle global food security issues. With the aim of reducing the use of land, water, and labor, their main goal is to establish a sustainable food system that can be adopted worldwide, empowering small farmers in developing countries. A key example is a large automated farm in Kyoto, which produces 30,000 heads of lettuce daily, with minimal human assistance. As the farm has achieved stable output through years of refinement since 2018, experts believe these systems will become more accessible in developing nations as automation costs decrease. This offers a viable solution to local food shortages and promotes their agricultural independence. Another significant innovation is a specialized polymer film for soil-free cultivation, which blocks microbes while enabling precise control over water and nutrients, leading to higher quality crops. A farm in Hyogo utilizes this film to grow sweeter tomatoes and simultaneously provides training and employment for women farmers. This demonstrates how technological advancement can also foster social progress. The effects of these food tech developments are extensive, enabling farming in arid regions or areas with poor soil, which helps combat desertification. Furthermore, these technologies can enhance the social and economic standing of farmers, particularly women. This suggests that Japan's ingenuity could be vital for creating a more equitable global food system.
And that was it. Koki, do you want to listen again or do you want to answer now? Okay, no problem. Let's listen again.
How Japanese food tech addresses global food security. Japanese innovators are creating new technologies, including automated vertical farms and soil-free farming, to tackle global food security issues. With the aim of reducing the use of land, water, and labor, their main goal is to establish a sustainable food system that can be adopted worldwide, empowering small farmers in developing countries. A key example is a large automated farm in Kyoto, which produces 30,000 heads of lettuce daily, with minimal human assistance. As the farm has achieved stable output through years of refinement since 2018, experts believe these systems will become more accessible in developing nations as automation costs decrease. This offers a viable solution to local food shortages and promotes their agricultural independence. Another significant innovation is a specialized polymer film for soil-free cultivation, which blocks microbes while enabling precise control over water and nutrients, leading to higher quality crops. A farm in Hyogo utilizes this film to grow sweeter tomatoes and simultaneously provides training and employment for women farmers. This demonstrates how technological advancement can also foster social progress. The effects of these food tech developments are extensive, enabling farming in arid regions or areas with poor soil, which helps combat desertification. Furthermore, these technologies can enhance the social and economic standing of farmers, particularly women. This suggests that Japan's ingenuity could be vital for creating a more equitable global food system.
And that's it. Now, Koki, we have no choice but to start answering the question, okay? Yes, let's start. First question. What is the primary aim of Japanese food tech? Okay, are you sure with your answer? Are you sure with your answer or is that your final answer? Mhm. Okay, so establish a sustainable food system answer is yes, very good there, Koki. Next question is how much lettuce does the Kyoto farm produce daily? Okay, 30,000 heads of lettuce answer is okay. And the last question is how does the Yogo farm support women? Okay, providing training and employment answer is yes, that's the correct answer. Good job, Koki. That's it. Again, do you have any questions? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Ah, bayad. Yes. So, same thing with banana. Some people might mistaken banana as per piece, right? So, that's why sometimes they make account it as a bunch of banana. So, something like that. So, we count it as a group, as one. Okay. So, in lettuce, the same things. It means again, 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 again. So, instead of the actual per piece. So they count the whole item as just one. Okay. Same thing with lettuce because lettuce it has a lot of leaves, right? So some people might mistaken as lettuce as just one leaf. So that's why they count it as the whole lettuce as just one head. Mhm. Yeah. Yes, so technically it's still lettuce, right? Because lettuce is made of, a lot of leaves, right? So yes. So instead of saying just one lettuce, you might get confused. Like what one lettuce? Is it just one leaf? So one leaf or one head, it's more precise or it's more definite and exact, right? Yes. So don't worry, maybe on our next activity, you can understand more. So let's proceed first. Please read out the article. Microbes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right. Yes, that was very good again, Koki. Good job for reading the article. But still, let's practice some words, okay? Don't worry because we will only practice just one word, all right? Okay? Okay, so I will put it in the chat box. Please repeat after me twice. The word is, I will say it slowly first, simultaneously. Yes, so let's try to say that again a bit faster. Simultaneously. Okay, good job. Very good. So how about yes, yes, simultaneously. Okay. So how about you, Koki? Do you still have any other questions? Okay. So because of that, now let's start the discussion. Okay. And the first question is, Koki, do you think automated farming systems will be successful in developing countries? Why or why not? Mm-hmm. 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 Yes, that's true. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 More stable. Yes, that's true. Mm-hmm. So, yes, Koki, you mentioned that having this automated farming system, it will help the unemployment, right? But don't you think it will create more unemployment, for other people instead of having the actual farmers, they will simply adapt to the automated farming system? Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Yes. Mm. So I have another question, Koki, because you mentioned that this automated farming system will be very helpful for developing countries, right? But how about, for example, in your country, Japan? We all know that Japan is already one of the top countries in the world, right? So do you think your country still need a automated farming system? Mm-hmm, yes. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes, it's too much work. Mm-hmm. That's mm-hmm. 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 Yes. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes. It's too much effort, right? Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ah. Mm-hmm. Ah, yes, that's true. So, yes, as the country progress, we still need those basic necessities, right? Especially food, right? Yes. And speaking of food, another question, Koki, because it means that food production will come from automated farming system, right? Do you think the output or the products will still be the same? Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yes, but of course it will not be the same as the actual manual farming, just like what you said, right? Because when a person harvests something, with just one touch or with just one look, they can already identify if that product or if that item is good or not, right? Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Okay. Actually, Cookie, we don't have much time, so I'm sorry. Maybe next time. Thank you.